run their fingers through my hair. A smile that says hello, it's good to see you. Anytime I turn around to find you there. It's this and so much more that makes me love